Hi, this is Fabian Pizzo from North Carolina, Raleigh area, and Laara Raynier is here doing an amazing academy workshop with us, and I can say that it's been something that's blown us out of the water. All the hairdressers here have just been amazed by the technique that she uses, and it's been able to advance us into what it is that we want to do right now, and that's to be hairdressers that basically push our clients into a modern look, into strong looks, and to do that you have to have the proper people to know to tell you how to do it. And Laara is, in my experience, one of the best. I've been all over the world, and to have Laara here in our doing our workshop here has just been amazing and something that you don't want to miss. I encourage you to do the same for your staff and to do it individually. It's tough times for hairdressers right now, but the best thing that motivates us is education. And she educates you and motivates you and inspires you to want to be better. So do what you can to get a workshop with Laara as soon as you can. All the best.